is Michael. This is my 2019 science project. It's about building bridges made out of popsicle sticks. We're going to see if the bridge can survive the 5-pound weight. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. This bridge's name is the hamster bridge because usually this is made for hamsters. This bridge's name is the subway bridge. This is the river bridge, and that is the triangular bridge. First, let's try out a 0.4 pounder on this bridge. See if it works. It works, so let's get another 0.5 to make it 0.8. It survived it. This is for 1 and 2 pounds. Survived 1 pound and a little bit above. This is 1 and 6 pounds. Survived that. This is 2 pounds. If it survives this, it can survive 2 pounds. It survived 2 pounds. This is for 2.5 pounds. It can survive 2.5 pounds. Now let's put all of this back and see if it can carry the actual 2.5 weight. It barely can hold it. Let's try the 5-pounder.
No, put 2.5 and then 0.4 on top.
Instead, let's try 2.5 and 0.4 on top. It'll probably break. Now, need more.
How much is that right now?
That is about 3.3 pounds. This is for 3.7 or 4.1, 4.5. For 5 pounds. No, 4.9. Oh, it's cracking. Now let's take
all of that off.
All of them off. Let's try the 5-pounder. If it can survive 4.9, it can probably survive a 5 pound. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. It barely survives 5 pounds. Take it off. It's too This is for 10 pounds.
No, why don't you try another bridge?
Okay. We won't try 10 pounds because we think it's going to break. Maybe we'll try it at the end.
Okay, we'll try it at the end. What's your next bridge?
Our second bridge is called the subway bridge. This is for 0.4 pounds, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, do 1.2, 1.6 now, 2 pounds, 2.4, no, 2.5. Survive 2.5 pounds, let's see if it can survive the 2.5 weight. Survive the 2.5 weight. This is for 3.1, 3.5, 3.9, 4.3, 4.7, and 5.3. If it can survive 5.3, that means it can survive the 5-pound weight. Take all of these off. Let's try the 5-pound weight on it. Survive the 5-pounder for 10 pounds.
Why don't you put 2.5 on top?
But before we do 10 pounds, we're going to do 7.5 pounds. for 10 pounds. See it cracking. And it broke on 10 pounds. Pretty good. Didn't break completely.
Okay.
Now, let's take these off. All of them off. And let's try the third bridge. The river bridge. For 0.4 pounds. 0.8. 1.2. 1.6. 2 pounds. For 2.5 pounds. We got it all. Now for the 2.5 weight. Carries that easily. Now 2.9, easy. 3.3, 3.7, 4.1, 4.5, and finally 4.9. Let's start cracking on 4.9. Barely broke. Surprise. Our leader for now is the subway bridge, but maybe the triangular bridge can hold the record. Just maybe. The 2.5 weight back. Now, the triangular bridge is going to go in a different way. This way. 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, 2 pounds, 2.5, easily, breezily. Now for the 2.5. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 2.9, 3.3, 3.7, 4.1, 4.5, 4.9. This is where the river bridge cracked. Now it's time for the 5-pound weight. Survive the 5-pound weight. A little sturdy. 7.5. This is to tie with the record. 10 pounds. This is for 15.
No. Put just 5. Put the 2.5s away. The 2.5s away. And put the other 5.
Looks like we have a tiebreaker against this one and this one. They're still kind of sturdy, so we might be able to test them again. But now let's see if this hamster bridge can do it. Oh, I love this bridge. Hopefully it doesn't break.
Show the pieces.
Sadly. Oh, I don't want that bridge to break.
Alright, so what's your conclusion?
That, wait, we need to do a tiebreaker.
Okay, so they're broken already.
These two can do a tiebreaker.
So both of them, which one do you think was better? One was holding 10 pounds.
This one was holding 2 of these. This one was holding 2 of these and 1 of those. So Maybe.
I think the triangular one.
But let's
The triangular one was holding 10 pounds, remember?
Yeah, but let's see if this one can hold. If this one, we already know this one can hold 10 pounds, right? So let's see if this one can hold 10 pounds. It died on 10 pounds, but these two don't really equal this. This is probably heavier than those two.
No, they're the same weight.
Well, let's see if it collapses or not. To be continued. Just kidding. Yep, it's not gonna work.
Alright, what's your conclusion?
That the Bridge D won. Congratulations.
Show the bridge.
Congratulations, Bridge D. I'm gonna keep.
Okay.
Congratulations. Thank you for watching my video. Check out some other videos that I posted. Peace out.